So welcome to Tactical Stuff Reviews, and hi, good day. And I will be apologizing for whatever noise you may hear in the background because I am here at my sister's house. And as you can see, we are here at our new setting with the Avengers table. So, hello to all Marvel fans out there. Me myself, I'm a huge Marvel fan, even way before they hit the big screen. So I would like also to talk about the earthquakes that's been happening since Friday. That was um, August 14, and today I am shooting today. Today is Sunday, August 16, 2020, and today is our monthsary with my girlfriend, and today is our monthsary, and I haven't seen her since the pandemic broke out. So I missed her so much, and I love you so much, me. So that's all, and let's get to the video. So today we will be reviewing a multi-tool. This multi-tool is from Lazada, and so let's get to it. So here's the sheath right here, the knife, and the screws right here. So let's talk about the sheath first. And so this is the sheath. This is a nylon sheath with different carry options right here. So you can put it horizontally or vertically, depends on whatever you want to carry the sheath along with the knife inside or the multi-tool inside. So here's our sheath with, I think there's some inserts right there that retains the shape even if the knife or the tool is not inside the sheath, with our snaps right here, which is already dented. So here's our snaps with some foam inserts or padding inside the sheath and on the cover. So to close this, all you have to do is to snap it. Then to open it, all you have to do is do the reverse. So here's the sheath. I think this is a heavy duty sheath, but I don't think that the straps on this or the loops, belt loops, are very durable. Just saying, because I've had so many sheaths like this. No problems with here and here on all the other parts except for here, the belt loops. But I don't know if it'll last. Okay, but I've already shoot this video or review about this knife or multi-tool, but I've deleted it, so I'm making a new one, and this is it. Here's the sheath, very rigid and sturdy. That's good. So here is the tool or the multi-tool or the knife. So this knife is or multi-tool is, the main tool is the knife itself, so it really looks just like a knife and not like a multi-tool with pliers on it. So you know what I'm saying. So I think you know those multi-tool with pliers on them that has two different sections, and all you have to do is unfold the different sections and it reveals the pliers. But this is not like those kind of tools. So here it is with our knife right here. I think this is 8CR13 MOV with the modified drop point or the reverse tanto. And with the serrations right here and the cutting edge right here. I'm not a big fan of serrations, but this is a tool, so a multi-tool, so I think that's fair enough. So with our thumb stud right here and our liners, here it is for our liner lock. Here it is. I don't think it's not really focusing right here. Okay, so here's our liners right here, and to close this, all you have to do is to push this downward and fold the knife all the way. The centering is good, perfect centering on the blade or on the knife. And here are some other tools right here. So it is with the thumb ramp with jimpings, but most of the part of the thumb ramp is hidden away by the scales. Okay, these are plastic scales with stainless steel liners. So the knife is on liner locks, but most of the tools or the other tools comes on a slip joint. So let's close the knife, and here's the pliers right here. All you have to do is to pull this section right here and pull it all the way until it reveals the pliers, the long nose pliers, and some line cutters right here. This is spring loaded, which is a good feature for the pliers. Here it is. So here's our pivot. So now that is the pliers. And here's the can opener. The can opener with the chisel right here, which also serves as a flathead screw. And the bottle opener with the flathead screw also. And for this one right here is this is a tool where you put or insert this screws right here. So the screws comes in a silicone container here with the, I think this is a wrench or something. I really don't know. I don't have enough knowledge for screws and other tools, but I think this is the Phillips screw, and some flat heads right here. 3 different sizes for Phillips and 3 different sizes for flathead screws, and I don't know what this is. I know what these are for, but I really don't know what are the names of this. So all you have to do, so look for this one has 4 sides, while this one comes in 6 sides, a hexagon and a square. So all you have to do is to put the square one or insert the square one on this extension right here, and let's say you want to use the Phillips screw right here. which says pH2, and insert it. So now you have a screwdriver. So this is a screwdriver with a silicone case right here. So the scales are plastic, but that's fine. Very heavy, not lightweight, but it's okay. It's fine. So these are the other tools on slip joints right here, with the can opener and the bottle opener, and the extension for the screwdriver. And here's our knife and the pliers right here. With this is very ergonomic, you know, this very comfortable to handle, except for the liners right here, which will produce like hot spots on your index finger right here, but it's still fine. With the patterns right here, the scales are, I don't know, this looks very tactical, but I think the scales are very gimmicky, but it'll do just fine. So I think that's it. So here's our knife, or our multi-tool, with the screws right here and the sheath right here. Here it is. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I will be giving this multi-tool an 8. Why? Because I think the blade needs more. They really don't tell you about the blade steel, but it dulls very, after a few uses to it, the knife becomes dull. So I think this is HCR13 MOV or something like that, but easy to sharpen and easy to lose its edge. Edge retention is very poor, but I think that's fine. So I think that's it, and that's all for Tactical Stuff reviews.